Not every legacy begins with a spotlight. Some begin with an apron, a mixing bowl, a proverb whispered over the sound of sizzling oil. Some legacies are baked into birthday cakes, sewn into Sunday aprons, etched into the hands of a woman who never asked to be remembered, but was unforgettable. Her name was Sofia Quandt, my grandmother, a Caribbean woman, strong-willed, sharp-tongued, full of grace and grit, born from a lineage that survived slavery, migration, and silence. A woman whose hands remembered everything. She raised 7 children, taught hundreds to cook. She stirred more than ingredients. She stirred lives. Her hands shaped cakes, snacks, stories, and descendants. She used to say, "Streia kusali trimpang, ta drinta trimpang." Know your time. Don't act older than your season. And when needed, macaco sa kwapalo tasubi. A monkey knows which tree to climb. Sharp, wise, fierce. She wasn't fooled easily. Some of us carry her in quiet ways. Some still walk with her voice tucked gently into their hearts. And a few of us have carried her into the light. My sister, Sinead, a singer whose voice is known across Aruba. My cousin, Duran Lantink, who now dresses icons like Beyoncé, Billie Eilish, Demi Moore, Solange Knowles, Doja Cat, Naomi Campbell, Janelle Monáe, and who currently holds the title of Creative Director of Jean-Paul Gaultier. And me? I've carried her rhythm in my voice for over 30 years, across stages, through songs, through national anthems, through moments of joy and mourning. I've raised funds for the people she taught me to love. I've raised my voice for the island that raised me, Aruba. There's a photo I'll never forget. 2 little boys in carnival, one with a glittering E, one with a bold D, holding hands, smiling, unaware that our grandmother's blood was already shaping history. We were becoming legacy. This is a tribute to Sofia, whose wisdom still lives in every step we take. To Rosaura, my mother, who never let me shrink. To Miranda, who raised a son free enough to change the fashion world. To all the women, seen and unseen, who shape brilliance with their hands, their discipline, and their love. No spotlight, no fame, but still history. You may never hold a mic. You may never walk a runway, but through your children, you change the world. From a small kitchen in Dakota, Aruba, a Caribbean island where resilience was needed into every recipe, and women like Sofia carried empires in their aprons, to the catwalks of Paris, to the concerts, cameras, costumes, culture, to the hearts of everyone listening now. This is for you. Your love still echoes.